Create text positions within the pieces on screen using text position selection. Start the macro. Within the editor, you can choose the extension, length, and alignment of the new text positions. Additionally, an offset can be entered here. A value of 0 would lead to the text position being at the center of your piece. To avoid creating it on top of the stripe line, the offset determines a movement into the Y direction, placing it above. Pieces already containing a text position will be skipped.